How to hide friends list on Facebook. This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. First of all, open Facebook app on your mobile. As you open Facebook app on your mobile, then you have to go on these three lines that are located up above and click on that. As you click on these three lines, then you have to scroll down and go to settings and privacy option. As you go to settings and privacy option, then you will have to go on settings option. As you go on settings option, then you have to scroll down, and under audience and visibility option there will be an option of followers and public content. Now as you click on that, now you have to go down. Now you have over here, you will have an option of public profile info. Now in order to hide your friend list, you have to make this private or friend to friend or even public. Now if you have made it only friends, then only your friends are able to see your friends. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section, and also don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.